Are you ready to embark on an incredible weight loss journey without stepping foot in a gym? Welcome to Turin's Health and Wellness, where we're all about celebrating the journey as much as the destination. Today, we're diving into a topic that resonates with many, the captivating adventure of weight loss, which does not require a gym membership. This journey, filled with highs and lows, victories and challenges, is a testament to the human spirit's resilience and determination. It's about more than just shedding pounds. It's about embracing a healthier, more fulfilling lifestyle. So whether you're lacing up your running shoes for the first time or you've been on this path for a while, this video is sure to inspire and motivate. And remember, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay up to date with more motivational content. Now, on to the first step of this gym-free journey, setting realistic goals. The first step in your gym-free weight loss journey is setting realistic goals. This isn't about crash diets or extreme workouts, but about making sustainable changes that you can stick to in the long run. Let's consider a few examples. Perhaps you're a fan of fizzy drinks. How about swapping out those sugary sodas for water? Or maybe your meals could do with a little more green. Try incorporating more veggies into your diet. You could also commit to a daily 30-minute walk. These are all small but significant changes that can make a big difference over time. It's easy to get caught up in the grandeur of our ultimate goal. But remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So focus on taking those small steps consistently. They will add up and lead you to your goal. Remember, mindset is a powerful tool on this journey. A positive mindset is a powerful tool in this gym-free journey. Imagine it as your compass, guiding you through the highs and lows of your weight loss journey. It's about staying positive, even when the scale doesn't move or when a workout feels too hard. Remember, weight loss isn't a sprint. It's a marathon. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle and sticking to them, day in, day out. And it's essential to be patient with yourself. Change doesn't happen overnight, and neither does weight loss. Then comes the joy of celebrating small victories. Did you choose a salad over a burger for lunch? That's a win. Did you walk an extra 10 minutes today? Celebrate it. Every small step is a victory on its own, bringing you closer to your goal. Your journey can be more manageable with a good support system. Surrounding yourself with positivity can make all the difference in your journey. A solid support system is crucial in every gym-free weight loss journey. That's where Turin's Health and Wellness come into play. It's like having a team cheering you on from the sidelines. And who doesn't want that kind of energy? Sharing your goals with your friends or family can be a game changer. It's like making a public commitment. Suddenly, you're not only accountable to yourself, but also to your loved ones. They can provide that gentle nudge when motivation wanes, or celebrate with you when you conquer milestones. But what if your immediate circle doesn't quite understand your journey? That's where online communities come in. These are spaces filled with individuals on similar journeys. You can share experiences, exchange tips, and even vent on challenging days. They get it because they're going through it too. Remember, you're not in this alone. Surrounding yourself with a supportive network can make the journey less daunting and a lot more enjoyable. Nutrition and exercise are the two pillars of weight loss. This mantra is the foundation of many successful weight loss journeys. But let's clear one thing up. There's no one-size-fits-all approach here. Your journey is unique, and the balance between nutrition and exercise that works for you may not work for someone else. And that's perfectly okay. When it comes to nutrition, it's all about making healthier choices over time. You don't have to give up your favorite foods overnight. Instead, think about how you can make them better for you. Maybe it's swapping out the butter in your recipe for olive oil, or choosing whole grains over refined ones. Small changes can really add up. And remember, it's not about dieting. It's about creating a sustainable, enjoyable way of eating that fuels your body for success. Now let's talk exercise. The thought of working out can be daunting, especially if you're just starting your journey. But here's the good news. You don't have to spend hours in the gym to see results. The key is to find an activity that you genuinely enjoy. It could be anything from dancing in your living room to hiking in the great outdoors. When you love what you're doing, it doesn't feel like a chore, and that's when you'll stick with it. Every journey has its challenges, and the gym-free weight loss journey is no exception. We've all been there. Those moments when the scale just won't budge, or when a slice of chocolate cake seems too irresistible. These are not setbacks, but opportunities to grow stronger. When you hit a plateau, remember that it's just a part of the process. It's your body adjusting to the new you. Don't get discouraged, but instead, reassess your plan. Maybe it's time to switch up your exercise routine or tweak your diet. And about those moments of weakness, they're not failures, but reminders that we're human. It's okay to indulge once in a while, as long as you get back on track the next day. Learn from these experiences. They're lessons, not losses. Most importantly, keep moving forward. Progress may be slow, but it's still progress. Every step you take is a step closer to your goal. Don't forget to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Embracing a healthier lifestyle is one step at a time. That's the key message we've been exploring today. It's not about making drastic changes overnight, but rather, it's about committing to small, sustainable steps that contribute to your overall wellness. We've talked about setting realistic goals, swapping out a sugary drink for water, adding more veggies to your meals, or committing to a 30-minute walk every day. It's these manageable changes that lay the foundation for a healthier lifestyle. We've also discussed the power of mindset in this journey. Remember, weight loss is as much a mental challenge as it is a physical one. It's about staying positive, being patient with yourself, and celebrating every small victory along the way. Every step, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. Furthermore, we emphasize the importance of building a support system. Sharing your goals with friends and family, or joining online communities can provide motivation, accountability, and encouragement. You're not alone in this journey. There are people who understand and are ready to cheer you on. We delved into the 2 pillars of weight loss: nutrition and exercise, and we've shown that you don't need a gym to succeed. Explore, experiment, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Because this journey is about more than weight loss. It's about discovering a healthier, happier you. Challenges are inevitable, but they're also growth opportunities. So when you face a hurdle, remember, you're not alone, and you're stronger than you think. Until next time, stay positive and focused and keep pushing towards your goals. Thanks for watching.